Driver's seat's all in good shape. Dash is very clean, no cracks or anything like that. Passenger seat's super clean. CD player and a tape deck with Bluetooth. Headliner's all intact, not sagging. Looks really good. Door card. Tiny little scratch right there. Back of the seats. Looks like this netting was removed. Previous ownership, it's still on the passenger seat. Back seat. Driver rear door card. Good shape. More of the headliner. Jumper seats in the back. Carpet's all in good shape back here. Floor mats. No weird staining or anything like that. Little bit of surface rust there. A little bit of surface rust right there on the bumper. Everything looks good. Rear door card looks good. Passenger side. Door card looks nice. Passenger seat. Cracking on the dash here on this side. Super clean. Door card here. Tiny bit of surface rust down here, pretty normal stuff. Door jam looks all good. No weird surface rust or anything. Back quarters do have a little bit of surface stuff right here on driver and passenger side. Just want to be transparent. Pop that over here. Did do a brand new battery as well. Looks like this washer reservoir is a little cracked. Outside. There's a little tree sap on the hood right there. Wash it off. blemish right here on the driver door. And then looks like previous touch-up paint was added right there. This is the driver side right there. Both are the same, but it is super clean underneath. Rockers all look really good. Tires are like new. Undercarriage here. A little bit of cancer there on that rocker. Grandma is in really good shape. The roof too. Good shape. Tiny bit of surface rust up here. Pretty normal. Not really any rock chips or anything. It's all pretty clean. Tiny bit of surface right there on the skid plate. The windshield's also in good shape too, no cracks or anything.